space. Maybe you have a homework project about the planets or the solar system. Whatever you are learning, impress your friends and teachers with some of our fun facts about space.
Fun fact 1. Asteroids are small bodies of rock or metal which orbit the Sun. They are thought to be leftover remnants from the creation of our solar system 4.6 billion years ago. Most of the asteroids in our solar system are found in the asteroid belt, which is roughly located between Mars and Jupiter. Because gravity is so low, astronauts are not able to burp. The liquid in their stomach cannot separate from gases. Mercury has extreme temperatures. The side that faces the Sun is scorching hot, while the side that is in darkness has freezing temperatures. It takes about 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate once, whereas it takes 225 Earth days for Venus to travel around the Sun. So, on Venus, a day is longer than a year.
Wow! What fun and interesting facts about space! For more information, activities and resources, take a look at our homework help page. Have fun learning, and I'll see you next time.